Hello dear students, good morning to all of you and once again welcome in this class. Today we are going to discuss about very important topic and we should know about the data we have written here. Okay dear student, because very important, sometimes ask what is the pH value of this compound, what is the pH value of that compound, etc. So we will have to remember this data here written, some substances, common substances and their pH value, dear student. Okay, the pH value I have written here and substance in this side. You can see here the pH value of hydrochloric acid is 0.0. That means 0. Okay, that means it is more acidic in nature. Okay, gastric juice secretes in our stomach. The pH value of gastric juice 1.0. Lemon juice, the pH value of lemon juice is 2.5. The pH value of vinegar is 3 and the pH value of wine is 3.5. The pH value of tomato juice, in tomato one acid is found named oxalic acid, and so for that tomato juice pH value of tomato juice is 4.1. Okay, black coffee 5, acid rain 5.6, urine 6. Okay, the pH value of urine is 6. The pH value of rainwater 6.5. Okay dear student, two things written here, acid rain and rainwater. Common rainwater, but it is acidic rainwater. Acidic rainwater then happen when the atmospheric sulfur dioxide when contact with H2O acid rain to form H2SO3 sulfurous acid. If the sulfur trioxide mix with H2O to form H2SO4 sulfuric acid. Due to this, the pH value of acid rain is 5.6. But in rainwater, there is no acidic oxide. Non-metallic oxide is combined, that is not sulfur dioxide combined, not sulfur trioxide combined. So the pH value of rainwater is 6.5 but acid rain is 5.6. The pH value of milk is 6.5. The pure value of water is 7. Okay dear student, pure water, the pH value of pure water is 7. The pH value of blood 7.4. The baking soda solution 8.5. The toothpaste 9 and borax solution 9.2. Milk of magnesia 10.5 and lime water 11 and household ammonia, the pH value of household ammonia is 12. The sodium hydroxide is 14. The pH value of sodium hydroxide is 14. Okay dear student, so we have to remember this data and this pH of the following substances, of the given substances, and it will help for solving many objective questions sometime. Okay dear student. Okay, now how the acidic and basic character increases, see here, from 7 to this, in this direction basic character increases, basic character increases from this side. Okay dear student, also including these substances. Clear? Now the acidic character increases from milk to hydrochloric acid. Acidic character increases. Okay, So this is the increasing order of acidic character, and in bottom from pure water to sodium hydroxide, the basic character increases. That means as the pH value increases, basic character increases, and the pH value decreases, basic character decreases. Okay, dear student. So now the question arises, how to calculate the pH? How to calculate the pH? To calculate the pH, we have to remember 3 points. Find the hydronium ion concentration, put it in the formula. We know pH is equal to minus logarithm H plus ion concentration, but we have to find here hydronium ion concentration. Okay, dear student, put it in the formula, then calculate the result, and we took here one question related to pH value. Calculate the pH value of 0.01 molar HCl. If HCl is completely ionized, you can see here there is no written H plus ion concentration. So how will we will find it? First of all, 0.01 molar HCl, when treated with water, it gives hydronium ion. So we have to find here hydronium ion concentration in the first point. So because HCl is completely ionized, if HCl is completely ionized, you can write here solution since HCl is completely ionized. Okay, if HCl is completely ionized, so you can write here HCl with water to form H3O positive plus Cl negative. Okay, dear student, H3O positive plus Cl. This is hydronium ion. And there is no hydrogen is remain. That means HCl is completely ionized. After ionized, it formed H3O positive. How it formed? You can see in another way. HCl when split to form H positive and Cl negative. But in aqueous condition, H2O at once bonded with hydrogen ion to form H3O positive. You can see once again this reaction here. HCl plus H2O, and this cancel form H3O positive and plus Cl negative. Okay, this is another way. Okay, so this is hydronium ion concentration. Clear? Now, second tab is put it in the formula. Now put it in the formula. We know that here H concentration of H3O positive, that means hydronium ion, is equal to concentration of HCl. Okay, both are same. If both are same, and this value is, we know, 0.01 molar, and you can change it 1 into 10 the power minus 2 molar. Okay, dear student, how it changes? See here, I am going to erase it. See here, when 0.01 is written, you can divide it by 1. Okay, after this, substitute the decimal 2 digit here, so like 2 is equal to 1 upon 100. You can write here 1 upon 10 the power 2. and 1 when it will go the upper side, that means in numerator part 10 it will minus 2. Okay, so here written 0.01 molar is equal to 1 into 10 the power 2 minus 2 molar. Okay, this is the concentration of this. Now second part, put it in the formula, or we know that formula is equal to pH is equal to, we can write a minus log H3O positive concentration of hydronium ion. Instead of H plus ion, we can put hydronium ion concentration. Okay, dear student, because there is no H plus ion concentration, so first of all we have to change 0.01 molar HCl into completely hydronium ion concentration. Since HCl is completely ionized, then HCl will react with water to form hydronium ion, and the concentration of hydronium ion and concentration of hydrochloric ion is same, and we know the concentration of hydrochloric ion is 0.01 molar. So is equal to, we can write here 0.01 molar, and 0.01 molar can be changed into 1 into 10 the power minus 2 molar. Okay, dear student, so instead of pH is equal to, we know that log H plus ion concentration. Okay, instead of H plus ion concentration we can put here hydronium ion concentration. Okay, now put the value pH is equal to minus log, okay dear student, and then we have 1 into 10 the power minus 2, means we can write here 10 the power minus 2. Okay dear student, one formula we have, if log m power m, then it is equal to n log m. This is the formula, you know very well. Okay dear student, so the power will come in front of log, before log, so minus 2 come before log, and minus, and here minus 2 not square bracket minus 2 log 10. Okay dear student, so you can write once again minus 2 and log 10 power 1. Log 10 means power 1, and power 1 is equal to 1 value, so it is multiplied with 1 and is equal to 2 ones are 2, and minus minus plus 2. Okay dear student, so the pH of this solution will be 2. pH is equal to 2. Okay dear student, this is the solution of this question. Okay, so first of all, this type of question we can solve by finding hydronium ion concentration, and to hydronium ion concentration we have to react HCl with water to form hydronium ion concentration, and because here HCl is completely ionized, so the concentration of hydronium ion will be the concentration of HCl ion. Okay, so hydronium ion concentration is equal to hydrochloric ion concentration, and we know that hydrochloric ion concentration is equal to 0.01 molar, and we can change it 1 into 10 the power minus 2 molar, and instead of H plus ion concentration we can keep hydronium ion concentration, and in place of hydronium ion concentration put the value. We know the value is there, so 10 the power minus 2 and 10 the power minus 2, and according to this formula power will come before the log, so here minus 2 log 10, and after solving we will get pH is equal to 2 for this question. Okay dear student, very important, and I think you should remember it. Okay dear student, okay, thank you, all the best.